Welcome to the fitment video of EUROPA Electronic Lock M1 model. Inside the box we can see the M1 lock along with its accessories. These are the required tools for fitment of M1 model: hand gloves. This is the marker for M1 model for its fitment on the door. Now we are going to place the marker on the thick side of the door. Make sure the marker is placed at the middle of the door. We have to mark the center point for each hole on the door as per the marker with dot punch on both the front side and the thick side of the door. After marking, we are going to drill on the door as per the shape and dimensions mentioned on the marker. For drilling, we require 8 mm, 20 mm, 32 mm, 45 mm drill bits. After drilling, we are going for the mortising process at the thick side of the door. This is the mortise lock body for the electronic lock M1 model with 3 solid dead bolts and a latch bolt. The specialty of this latch bolt is that it is rotatable as per your door type, left hand or right hand. How it is rotated? This is a locking pin which we can disengage like this. Now, let's push the latch bolt inside with our fingers and just rotate it and leave it. Now we are going to install the mortise lock body to the thick side of the door like this. Now, with the help of an electronic screwdriver, fix the mortise lock body to the door with its two respective screws. These are the panels of EUROPA Electronic Lock M1 model. This is the outside door panel, which has a touch screen display, RFID card facility, fingerprint sensor on the handle, and mechanical key opening on the front face. At the back face, we can see the wire connectors and handle adjust mechanism. If anyone attempts to break the lock physically from the outside, at that time, the anti-pry theft alarm will be activated. The handle of the lock is adjustable as per your door type, LH/RH. For that, we have to tilt the handle like this. Now you can see a screw here. With an electronic screwdriver, loosen the screw like this. Now rotate the handle in the opposite direction and again tilt it like this and screw it. Now we are going to install the rubber sealer for both panels, which helps to protect the panels from dust and water entry. The locking rubber pins on the rubber sealers are inserted into these small holes at the back side of the panels like this. Now, align the arrow marks on the square rod's cavity with the arrow marks on the panel. Now we are going to install the two screw extenders and the square rod to the outside panel like this. One screw extender is adjustable. Insert the square rod like this into the cavity and lock it with a locking pin, then bend its both legs like this. Now we are going to install both panels on the door. Now insert the excess wire into the door cavity like this and extend it to the other side of the door like this. Now place the outside panel onto the door face like this. Now take the inside panel, remove its face cover like this, and connect the wires between the outside panel and the inside panel like this. Place the inside panel onto the door face like this, and after that, place the square rod into the cavity like this. Now, fix both panels with these screws, with the long screw going to the lower side and the short screw going to the upper side of the inside panel. Ensure both panels are fixed properly to the door, and with the help of an electronic screwdriver, fix the screws. Now insert the 4 alkaline batteries into the inside panel. Now install the face cover of the inside panel. We can see our EUROPA electronic lock M1 model is completely fixed to the door. Now ensure the proper functioning of the lock by touching the outside panel screen, actuating both handles from inside and outside of the door.